Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can auto reframe your videos in CapCut PC. So select your video like this, and you're just going to right click on your video. I think actually it's on the right side, not right click, sorry. Under basic, you're going to select auto reframe. I'm just going to select the 1:1 frame ratio. And then you're going to select the ratio here as well, maybe the 1:1 one. 1:1. I'll do image stabilization stable, camera moving speed slow. And that's going to basically focus hopefully on the object. If it doesn't, maybe you can remove it. I don't think you can actually. Whoa, whoops. And maybe it works best with like videos that have like people in it. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. Again, auto reframe. Select the aspect ratio, which I did here, stable, and then slow. Once it's done processing, just like apply, and that's pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.